What's up, guys? It's Jake, not your average tech dad. This is the long-awaited unboxing of my 2020 MacBook Air M1 edition with 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gig hard drive. The audio didn't record, unfortunately, when I made the video, so I'm having to do a voiceover now. So sorry you don't get to hear the crispy pulls and crackles of the plastic and cardboard, but I'm here to show you my thoughts and feelings. As you can see from the very beginning, Apple kills it. The design of even the box that it was shipped in was perfect. Easy to unbox, has tabs on everything, came out of there like a dream. Onto the box that the MacBook Air is in itself. Check out that tab on the plastic. There's no knives needed. Apple's doing a fantastic job on minimalizing any waste all throughout the process, start to finish. So I'm pleased with the packaging and pleased how it showed up through the mail service. Everything looks great. As far as the packaging goes, Apple kills it. I mean, they've always had really sleek, really slick, perfectly designed boxes, and they're just taking it a step further. Each additional product line they add has less and less waste. As you can see, each piece basically has a tab to make it easy to pull out of the box. There's no fiddling around, no funny business here. I got the top of the box off easy, came off easy, very sturdy. You can see inside the box there's the MacBook Air itself, there's a power brick, and there's a USB-C cable. Inside this little thing there's a few little papers. I think Apple just has to do this for basically like to cover themselves for lawsuits and stuff, so you get like the legal paperwork and a few stickers, nothing crazy. The rest of the box is all cardboard, so this thing is all biodegradable. There's very little plastic. I mean, I think the sticker is the worst part about the whole entire packaging. The plastic for the sticker is probably the only thing that's not biodegradable, so Apple absolutely killing it on sustainability. Can't be more pleased with the packaging. You saw my daughter intervene right there. Unfortunately, once you take it out of the box, you can't undo it, so on we go. So we've got the MacBook Air right here. We got the power brick and the USB-C cable. Apple has a perfect tab to unwrap the MacBook Air. It's all seamless with Apple. The experience is wonderful. You really feel like you're getting a premium product when you're unboxing anything that Apple presents to you. Nice little power brick. Even the power brick has like perfect tab and a little bit of wax paper. There's nothing wasted here. It's just purely to keep the product protected in the box from scratching. It's pretty amazing what they've accomplished over the years. And same with the USB-C cable. Two little cardboard straps hold it all together, all perfectly tight. Nothing much to see here. This is the only annoying part, is unraveling a perfectly wound up USB-C cable. It's like unwinding a garden hose that always tangles up. So I wish they would like include like a little a roll or something to put it around, something to better store it. Kind of like the old like MagSafe chargers. They had the hooks around the top of them that you could wind up the cable, but in this instance it's just a USB-C cable and basically Apple's standard power brick that has a USB-C socket in it versus the USB-A port or lightning port. Alright, onto the laptop. This thing's sleek, stylish. Apple always delivers a product that's sleek and stylish and feels like home. I have to say, coming from a 2013 MacBook Pro, jumping into the 2020 MacBook Air, I'm thoroughly pleased. This thing's sleeker, lighter. It's supposed to be more powerful. I'll go over that in a review later. Everything was super well packaged. I would say between when I unboxed my 2013 MacBook Pro to this one, the packaging came leap and bounds further. Opened it up, started it right up. Keyboard felt pretty good straight out of the box. The mouse pad feels cool. I haven't had the Taptic Touch yet, but from the first few clicks. It felt great. So I'm going to go ahead and set up the MacBook Air with all my user data and info, and then I'll come back here in just a little bit and give my initial impressions, and then maybe in about a week or two I'll do a full review of it and let you guys know what I think. Please like and subscribe to my channel.